In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Airbnb earnings report. It is quite complicated. Airbnb doesn't make it easy for anyone to see what they've earned from Airbnb as a host in the last 1 year. And when it comes to the tax filing, everyone wants to know to be able to report their earnings. It is fairly simple. All you need to do is log into Airbnb from your computer, and the screen should look like this. Once you're logged in, on the right hand side you will see your profile photo. Click on there and then click on account. The following screen, choose payments and payouts, and then on the next screen you will see multiple tabs here: payments and payouts. The payouts tab is where you need to go for this. And once you are in the payouts tab, under there you will see lots of options where you can set your payout method, payout routing rules. You don't need to do all that. Just click on transaction history on the right hand side of this. It's here on the right hand side. And on the transaction history page, you will see there are three different tabs. Again, the first one is completed payouts, the second is upcoming payouts, and the third one is gross earnings. You need to go into gross earnings. And this is where Airbnb will extract all your earnings for the period you select in these dates. So if you want to report it from December last year, you can just choose December of that year to December of that year, for example, right? If let's say if you want to do it from December of 2020 to December of 2021, you can do so, and or any other combination. This is just an example I'm giving you. And once you have chosen the correct period, you can see it is displaying all the earnings I have had from this property in the last 1 year. Just click on export CSV. Now, when you click on export CSV, there are two options: email CSV file or download a CSV file. The only difference is when you choose email CSV file, it is going to send an email to you with a CSV file, which is a comma separated file, into your inbox in your email, right? When you click on download CSV file, it is just going to give you a pop-up as soon as you click on. So let's do that. It says downloading, preparing, all that, and then you can just simply choose save the file, and that will download the file onto your computer, which looks pretty simple. And if you open it in Excel, which is going to happen in my case, you can see all my reservations here have been extracted in a readable format for me to be able to report and see and give a summary to my tax authorities. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Leave something in the comments if something you were looking to find in this video and I couldn't cover that. Please leave it in the comments and I will be happy to give you the directions or make another video for you. Until next time, bye bye.